Hola chicas, so we're just going to have a look at page 84, page 84, okay? So we're looking at page 84, 84, and we're just going to have a look at this comprehension on Buenos Aires. So I'm not going to read through all of it. I've highlighted some of the key vocab, okay, which I want you to make a note of in your cuaderno. So the first thing we got here is just look at the title, Una gran ciudad cosmopolita. Cosmopolita is cosmopolitan, okay? Una gran ciudad is a big cosmopolitan, so it's a big modern city, okay? First thing I want to highlight is un recorrido. Recorrido is a tour of Buenos Aires, okay? I'm just going to read the first paragraph just to give you an idea, okay? Buenos Aires, la capital de la República Argentina, es un destino muy popular para los turistas. So it's a really popular destination for tourists. Tanto nacionales for Argentinian nationals como extranjeros. I've underlined extranjeros there as like tourists. It also means foreigners. Maybe tourists is better in this sense here, okay? Esta ciudad Historia Cultural recibe. I've underlined receive. Receive means receives más de 10 millones de turistas anualmente every year. La mejor manera de visitar Buenos Aires es un autobús. So the best way to visit Buenos Aires is in bus. Para poder, to be able. Poder means to be able. Conocer, to know. El auténtico ambiente de la ciudad, to know the best atmosphere of the city. Okay, so just want to underline ambiente, atmosphere. The next place here, el Buenos Aires es un servicio de autobús que hace recorridos por los barrios y sitios de interés de Buenos Aires. So Buenos Aires is a bus service que hace recorridos, those bus tours por los barrios, for the neighborhoods y sitios, places de interés en Buenos Aires. Hay 24 paradas, so there are 24 stops donde se puede, one can subir y bajar, to get on, to get off. Las paradas más interesantes son, so here we've got now the most interesting stops, okay? So we've got La Plaza de Mayo, San Telmo, el Estadio de Boca Juniors, el Barrio de la Boca, Galerías Pacífico, el Parque Tras de Febrero. So each one of these in bold is a different bus stop, okay? In the first part, Plaza de Mayo, it just says el centro financiero is the financial center of Buenos Aires, okay? Here I just highlighted here, se encuentran, one finds. You can find, edificios as buildings, y monumentos importantes, important buildings, okay? So there's these ones here, okay? In San Telmo, just want to underline se encuentran, one can find, okay? Here I want you to underline más ricas. Más ricas translates to as richest, okay? Más ricas, okay? I also want you to underline here, so todos los domingos, every Sunday, hay una feria. Una feria is a market. De antiquidades is like of antiques, okay? Next thing I want you to underline here is hecho. Otro hecho interesante, another interesting fact. Hecho here translates as a fact, F-A-C-T, okay? Tiene la calle más estrecha. Estrecha means the narrowest. Más estrecho. So estrecho means narrow. When you have más in front of it, means most narrow or narrowest. Okay. De decir que. De decir mide. Mide here means measure. Solamente remember, 2,50 metros de ancho, 2.5 meters width. Okay. Good job. Here, next one we got El Estadio de Boca Juniors. So this is the Boca Juniors Stadium. Es un estadio. So first one, the football. So it's a football stadium. Okay. Equipo here is team. Okay. Uno de los equipos más famosos or most famous. Okay. Dentro, here you can see it here, is translated as inside. Okay, so dentro del estadio hay un museo que muestra here shows los 100 años la historia, so the 100 years of histories of the club. Una visita is a visit. I've also underlined here aficionados. Aficionados is your fans. And la entrada al museo cuesta. So entrada, just put it on your copies, the ticket costs, okay? El Barrio de la Boca. So here we've got El Barrio de la Boca. El Barrio de la Boca, so this is just a very famous neighborhood, okay? So here, a pesar, despite being one of the más visitados, the most visited for tourists, es uno de los más pobres, is one of the poorest, okay? La calle más famosa, the most famous street is Caminito, okay? And it just talks about the Caminito, okay? Here we've got Galerías Pacíficos. The Galerías Pacíficos es un centro comercial, so it's a shopping center in la calle Florida. Buenos Aires tiene muchas opciones. First thing I want to hear, opciones is options. Okay. Then we got ir de compras, to go shopping. Okay. Los recuerdos, here. I want you to underline los recuerdos. I didn't underline here. Recuerdos is like souvenirs. Más típicos, the most typical souvenirs son muñecas is dolls. And then tango, so tango dolls or tangos, those like women little souvenirs doing the same. Okay. Then you got el mate. El mate is just a type of it's kind of like a tea they drink. Okay, that they drink in Argentina, is really famous. Okay. And you look up cuero. Cuero is gone from my head. I can't remember. I looked it up, but I can't remember what cuero is. Okay. Here we've got last one, El Parque Tres de Febrero. So Tres de Febrero. So the Parque, the 3rd of February park. Okay. Espacio Verde. I've underlined as a green space. Okay. Dad. Here is ahí se puede dar un paseo. So here one can go for a walk. Or hacer un recorrido en barco. Barco is boat. Barco is boat, okay? Por el lago, and the lake. Or apreciar, to appreciate la belleza, the beauty del parque. So there is loads of vocab. I know there's loads of vocab there. So I want you just to make note of all the vocab that I make reference, I've highlighted or made reference to in the lesson, okay? And I want you to try these questions here. These are in Spanish, so I want you to answer them in Spanish. Okay, so this is a bit trickier. Okay, so I have translated them for you here. Okay, so first one, ¿Cuántas turistas visitan anualmente la ciudad? So how many tourists visit the city of Buenos Aires? So you're going to start off this question with, you can say, just the number I or visitan and put the number of tourists. Okay, ¿Cuántas paradas hace el Buenos Aires? You can say hace space and then the paradas, maybe hace 10, maybe those 10 stops, whatever. ¿Qué hay en la Plaza Mayor? So start off that sentence, the question here with I. Start off with I, okay? ¿Qué hay en San Telmo todos los días? So what is there in San Telmo every Sunday? So I'd start off with todos los domingos I. So that's how you're going to start that one off, okay? ¿Qué es el Boca Juniors? You can say el Boca Juniors es, and then your answer for that one, okay? ¿Cuánto cuesta visitar el museo? So how much does it cost to visit the museums? Start that off with cuesta plus how much money it is, okay? ¿Qué hay en el barrio de la Boca? So you can say, I started off, en el barrio de la Boca hay plus your answer. ¿Qué es el mate? So start that off. So what is mate? El mate es, so the mate is whatever. ¿Qué se puede hacer en el parque? What can one do in the park? So en el parque se puede, and then list off the activity. Is that okay? Don't bother look up as well. Busca las palabras en el texto. So look up in the text the following words, okay? Places of interest, football fans, souvenirs, historically, antiques, to go for a walk, okay? So I will put those answers up on the video on Thursday, and I will hopefully have your written pieces all corrected by then. Like some of them were very, very good. So good job. Keep up the good work. And I might probably give you another little written piece or something to send in to me over the weekend. So muchas gracias, chicas.